Playbook. Think of it like a recipe, a script, really, that tells your systems exactly what to do step by step.
Yeah, and what's really interesting looking at the source is how practical it is. It's not just theory. It details how NetOpsVA actually uses this interface for running those Ansible playbooks. So for this deep dive, we'll really focus on the real world benefits. What operational improvements does this actually bring to IT teams, especially as things get more complex?
Okay, so the promise is simplicity, managing complex stuff easily. What's actually enabling this? How does NetOps VA actually present these powerful automation workflows to someone sitting at their desk?
Well, the core of it is really this robust, secure web interface. It's designed specifically for executing automation. The source breaks down the steps, and they seem pretty intuitive. You basically pick the playbook you want from a list, confirm which systems, the target hosts you want it to run on, and then, well, you click a button to kick it off. It's meant to be guided, kind of hiding the complexity underneath, dealing with inventory, secure credentials, all within that environment.
Right. That immediately makes me wonder, and probably you listening too, okay, simpler interface, great, but what can you actually do with it? What kind of tasks does this web-based control really open up, maybe to people who aren't Ansible gurus?
Exactly. And this is where you see the real value, I think. The range of tasks is quite broad. It's about making these complex IT jobs more accessible, really. The source points out a few key things you can do, all from that one web UI. Things like pushing out bulk configuration changes to lots of systems at once, orchestrating really complex multi-step jobs, maybe setting up servers or deploying complicated apps, things that would normally take a lot of manual steps, and even just running routine maintenance across your whole estate. So maybe the security team needs to patch everything fast, or help desk needs to run a tricky diagnostic. They could potentially trigger that without needing to dive deep into the command line themselves.
Wow. Okay. That sounds incredibly useful, particularly if you're trying to get more people involved in automation.